You know, I always make sure that there's an animal, at least in the beginning of my videos, and these cats are a little bit bugging me today, but there we go. There's one right there. Okay, here we go. Unboxing time. So now, this is not a surprise. It's another version of the Tron. So, remember I said that it was really kind of hard to slide? Some of the other people said that it was actually completely fine and I was smoking something. So I talked to the maker and he said that sometimes when he makes these, he puts the magnets in while the plastic is still hot. And so it warps the plate and it should be smooth. So he made me another one. So I'm really excited. And this one is actually of a color that he doesn't even make. He's like, what color do you want? I'm like, well, I guess you can send me another gold. I'm like, oh, no. You need to send me a different one so that I can tell the difference between the one you sent me before and then the new one. So, oh, Sheba's going outside. Sheba. I didn't think she'd be able to get her fat ass up there. Yes, for green. What? I love it. Okay, so let's take a look, y'all. Oh yeah, much better. Wow. Okay. Yes, so it was exactly what he was talking about. Look at the difference in the plates. Wow. Oh yeah. Wow. Oh yeah. Now it's perfect now. Holy shit. Oh man. We're not worthy. This thing is so fucking awesome, bro. I'm so excited. Okay. Take a deep breath. I'm turning the camera around. Okay, guys, here we go. So here's the original one. Oh, yeah. We got blue on the inside, and then we got red. So here's the original one. So this is the Tron. And then here's, oh yeah, look at the difference. Wow. That's insane. Huh. Whoa. So the original one, it was really hard for me to get it started. So here, ow! God, the magnets are strong. Hold on, I need to zoom out a little bit here. I love this color, bro. Wow, this is great. This is like night and day. Oh my God, bro. Wow. It's perfect. And I fucking love the color. There's really not much else to say. It's great now. It's perfect. Wow. Let me show you guys something to compare it to. I just reviewed the Fidget Boy. And then also, I also have this guy out still. It's just a very thin, sleek slider. And it works really well. Wow. Look at that color. I love the green. Oh my God. Wow. All right, well, there you guys have it. It's awesome. It was just, I guess, a fluke. Anyway, thank you guys for watching.